Hello everyone, and this is my tutorial on how to do a chain stitch. A chain stitch is basically the start to most things as well as a slip knot. I have a tutorial on how to make a slip knot. Watch that video and then learn how to, do it from there. So start with the slip knot, wrap around your fingers and pull through to create that knot right there. Put your crochet hook through that piece. Your loose end and your tight end, which is connected to your skein of wool. From there, wrap the yarn around while holding. I like to hold on to this piece and wrap it around, and then you're going to pull through. This is your first chain. You're going to do that again. I like to also kind of hold on to this loose end and hold on to this while I wrap it around and pull through. It's something you're going to need to take time to learn and time to perfect, like how to pull it through. I'm going to do it one more time. Hold your yarn, wrap it around, and pull through. Also, while I'm pulling through, I am turning my hook this way, so watch again. Wrap it around and pull through. I'm taking it and I'm turning it like that to pull through. Hopefully that makes sense. From there, you just basically crochet your little chain.